What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video I'm going to be making over this mannequin, and I want to do a really short cropped haircut and gradually going from shorter into a little bit longer right here into the front. Something good for the summer, and I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right guys, so here's the finished result. I just want to break it down. So what I did is I used a number 3 guard and worked it from here up to about right here. Then I went back in at the end and used a 2 just to taper down the edges and the sides a little bit more in through here, so it wasn't so bulky in through here. I did that throughout the sides and the back, and I do apologize if you see any sort of spacing or anything in here. It's just the way the hair was stitched from the company. But basically then I blended it in by hand. And I used actually a number 6 guard or a 5 guard right in through this area right here to really just take it all down. Then I went in with the scissor and connected the number 5 guard by hand, creating it to where it's about an inch or so, working into the front where it's about an inch and a half, no more than 2 inches. I blow dried it. The key to get this up in the front here is just literally hit it with the blow dryer and just kind of literally blow it up with no hands whatsoever. Get that action going and that support for this style right here. I used Clutch XL to style it when it was completely dry, and here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. It's a great summer look, and definitely let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. Hit that damn bell for notifications so you can watch and keep up with all my videos, and I will see you guys next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.